Yo, it is like breathtakingly beautiful out here. What's up, you guys? Roman wasn't built in a day here. So I've done a lot of cold calling and cold knocking in my career. I used to be in sales. I did door-to-door solar sales. I managed the door-to-door team as well. And I do a lot of cold calling for my current business. And I wanted to come on here real quick and give you guys a couple quick tips from my experience on how to have a better cold call. Let's get into it. So tip number one is just get straight to the point. A lot of people come in and just ask, how was your day, as the first question, when the person you're talking to really doesn't know anything about you. They actually would much rather hear who you are and what you have to offer before getting to the small talk. So it's okay to ask, how was your day, but get to the point. That's tip number one, is get to the point. Tip number two is do your homework, right? You want to make sure you have researched the company and the aspects of whatever you're pitching to them. If you're pitching content marketing, you want to have looked at all their social media accounts, looked at their website, checked them out, and see what areas that you could help improve their content marketing. So if you notice that they don't have, a good video on their website, or their content looks outdated, you can politely compliment it and then also say how you can help improve in that aspect. So that's tip number two, do your homework. Combined with tip number three is offer value. Tip number four, then the last thing you want to do is make sure you create urgency with some type of offer. I like to say, I'm running a free consultation through the end of the month, or I'm running this special, I'm doing 50% off through the end of the month for new clients, or something like that. Add some type of urgency to your offer. It doesn't have to be a discount or anything like that. It can be, I am leaving town on this date, whatever, it doesn't matter. Create urgency with your offer, leave your contact, hang up the phone. That's my 4 tips on how to make a better cold call. Hope you guys get some value out of it, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.